Yo, batty boy Holness. You think you can stop mass killing? Everybody in a Clarendon go there next week. Your wife next like a fool.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and to my returning subscribers, I want you to feel loved, and to my new subscribers, welcome on board. So today we have this video of a guy who recorded himself sending a warning to Andrew Holness and his wife, saying that they are next. Well, that video has sparred a lot, or rather stirred a lot of reactions online from the netizens and everyone, and almost everyone across the Caribbean country. So let's have a dive in, and we engage more in the comment section. But before we do that, first thing first, make sure you give me a subscribe, a like and a share, and also make sure you watch the video up to the end. Greetings to my Caribbean people. Let's dive in and have a look, and then we engage more in the comment section.
Yo, batty boy Holness. You think you can stop mass killing? Everybody in a Clarendon go there next week. Your wife next like a fool.
Yes, my brethren and friend, blessed morning to each and every one. Well, Mr. Wagwan in my parish Clarendon, down at Cherry Tree Lane. My condolences to all the families and all the friends who have lost someone. But let me tell you something, man. It's a Jamaica. Jamaica now go better. Jamaica will never better because you know something. Them idolize Badman down there. You see what I'm saying? Badman get all the praise and the glory. As you go up and look at Kanye, man, I say, boy, you say the brother, I don't know, deal with them, no bad man, that no bad man, and them praise Badman. You see what I say? And you see the police force at Jamaica, it ever wrong. It ever wrong. 17 people me as I don't throw down. 8 gone. And more going. Me think me as a more gone. I'm not sure about that. But me as a 2 more gone. So that out of 10. You see what I say? And who them a call upon? The same police where the bad people every day. And the same police where they don't like. And the same police where do this. And the same police where do that. And the same police who don't call upon now. You see what I say? But we don't have no bad man a walk down there. And no bad people want to idolize. The police are boy and them are done. And me and the done a walk and the police boy. I saw no style them. I don't call them any name I don't want to call them. You see what I say? In at the same time, when they drop 8 at Clarendon, the police them got Spanish Town and dig out 3 murderer. I complain about it. I complain about what them did have and what them never have and this and that and all kind of things. Me you know. Me a listen, no. I question it. Because one never have this in our hand and one never have that in our hand. When all 3 of them are wanted, man, where the police want. You see what I say? So I saw no steer. We don't idolize bad man down there too much. And give them too much praise and give them too much glory. You see what I say? You never hear one as a boy. You see that youth there, respect him, you know he's a doctor. Respect that youth there, you know that youth there is a teacher. Them the people don't get no respect. Every corner you go and tell you that you have respect the brother there, you know. I run things, you know. Yeah, man, I done on the corner. You see what I say? So as long as I know that mentality there, it now go better. You see, and politics in it too. Because everything where the Prime Minister implement for fight crime, the opposition fight against him. Everything where the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, implement for fight crime, little more you hear the opposition and fight against it for vote. You see what I mean? For vote, and it's that and mash up the country. And as long as they not share them attitude there, it will never better. You see what I mean? And one thing I warn the government about. Every man down there now, every young boy chose a drop off of them. Every young boy chose a drop off of them. You see what I say? And now, the kerchief thing I come now, if you can tie up nose and tie up face. Me want the government put a stoppage to that right away. Because we are not Arab. Jamaica is not an Arab country. That's our culture. So me say, such man come out of weary. You know me not go fight him for that. Because I see what go on. I see him face not in a good condition. You see me say? So if I might try for disguise certain things, I hold it down. Me not go fight him for that. But me don't want everybody, every youth man now, I come tie up face. I come tie up face. Them bad already, and you see them face, much less when you not see them face. I want the government of Jamaica put a stop on that immediately. Don't make it spread like wildfire. You see what I'm saying? If they're so bad and wicked, and we see them face, suppose we never see them face. And then no matter of fact, when they go up and robbery and go for the bad things, that so them mass up themselves. So now you go come on Jamaica and everybody a pass you and mass up, you don't know who is who. You see man there? But listen to me, man. Then say Bunty are the 3-star general. Every time you see Bunty in pants and waist. Beanie then say the king. Every time you see Beanie in pants and waist. And even such man, every time you see him in pants and waist. So why the follower of them and all the little guys them will come behind them, why nobody pants can't stay them waist? And that me don't like to know why nobody pants can't stay them waist.
Time come. Yeah man, time come for real man. Time really come man. Time come for PNP and JLP, put them difference aside. Because we now fight politics war. Look how long we stop fight politics war. So I war cause so much war, I war cause so much killing. A time for put the difference aside and come work together now. Market you right now no farmer opposition, you know. If you not support, shut up. Right now no farmer opposition. Mr. Andrew, remember when you just come and promise me say we can see you put the window and we do them open. And when you go sit down in your seat, you find out say, I know so you go as you say. Because your lips are fit seal and your hands them tied. Bossy, you get an opportunity right now to use this incident to be the reason why force to pull your hand them and unseal your lips as you can talk and do things them right now. Now you get the opportunity to do what you really want to do. Because we can't allow Jamaica to go further than where it reach right now, which is a level where far beyond where we expect it to reach. No farmer political speech we don't want to hear for next year for no side. We want one and all a work at conquering this thing we then call name crime monster. Andrew.
Guys, don't get distracted by that guy video. Here. That is something that they planned to come out and distract us with that video. You understand? But don't fall for it. The reason why him come out and do it, him know say the leader now go track him because the leader already know say him do that video to protect him. Them now go track him down. Because the youth most clever enough to know say him can't come out and speak like that on a device. Because easily location and easily track down and easily find. But because him know say, if him come out and said it, them now go track him down and now go hunt him because it a benefit the leader. You understand? It a benefit him. The whole of them know about it. And the whole of them plan pay him and make him come out and do it. The whole of them know about it. Because the eating at the kitchen is very hot. And them are cooling down. So no come out and look here. We know say all are uno behind this foolishness, sir. And if you never behind it, uno da locate him just like uno da locate the little boy under the bed. Here. We know so uno behind this bullshit. And we not fall for it. You fool a man sometimes, but you can't fool him all the time. We know no dirty tricks and what uno capable of. Here. So you can't come out and go say, I'm going to sweep off all of Clarendon. Good luck to him. You want to come out and go say, I'm going to sweep you and your wife. Good luck to him. See, and we are who know. But we know say something and something, we know we're good on up there. So we know because we have up here, so we have the brain. We are work on the brain and we are calculate things and we are analyze things. We're not stupid. We know what is going on. And all what is going on is to drive fear in people for them can't take on needs. Here.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes, man. Forward again, you know. Big up on yourself. Bless up on yourself, people. Boy, 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 boy. I can't wait. You see me in my uniform? It's lunchtime. And I can't wait to go home. So I have to do that one here right now. People, what a massacre in Jamaica Island. What a massacre, people. Massacre, massacre. I'm not even talking about the DJ. The DJ not do them or something here. The DJ only a sing. Me I talk about these vultures were going around eating up people. What a thing. Imagine 8 people one time. Just gone. Like dog. Like the farmer them will raise chicken and then just deal with them for carry to market. I saw the thing I go on right now. People, I saw the thing I go on right now, including a 8-year-old and an almost 2-year-old. People know see the thing gone from bad to worse. Me see the other day, you know, the police them, you know, run down some of them, you know, some of them, you know, all the way over in the sea. Deal with them case and fish them out like fish. And he come like say, them a bad man ya, gone up back one pan the police them, 8 one time. I don't really remember the numbers when I see them a pull out of the water like fish the other day. But right now, the gunman, they come like them a run competition with the lawman them down in Jamaica Island. But, Mr. Andrew Holness, a long time you have to take a really drastic stand to this thing, you know. You shouldn't have to wait until 8 gone one time before you take a hey, Mr. Adams did want to do it for free, you know. I want to tell him no. Free of charge the man did want to do it for. Clean up the place. You know, sir, it start to rub me like you don't really want to clean up the place like how it for clean up. And that me kinda get out of it right now, you know. Me I kinda get out of like if crime and violence kinda benefit you know, in a some way or some form. You don't really want it for gone. You see me? Because you know jail need people. And so me I get out of it right now. Because why? Why all this corruption? No, sir. You can't believe it in Jamaica Island. People out there enjoying themselves, playing a little bingo, listening to a little music, and man just pull up and just wet up everybody. And don't care. Like everybody will get wet up. Did in a fighting or was enemies to those people? As some little island around right now? Mr. Andrew Holness or whosoever gonna run and gonna win and gonna be the Prime Minister. But America work hard and I save my money and I want to come back home. I want to come back home to Jamaica. You see me? And right now every time I fly down, I have a little nervousness. Even though I'm not coward, you know. But I don't want to lose my 3 points just like that. Just innocent just like that. And I have a little cowardness in me. A little fear in me when I come to Jamaica to walk around free. Even though I know I know everywhere the badness are going like that. You see me? But I grew up in the street. And I like to go up on corners and corners and corners, go check my old friend them, my old virgin them what we used to run up and down with. Why am I feel nervous to go check my old virgin them? Why these things going on like this? Like 8 one time, and it's not even, it's more than 8. because maybe you see here some more a drop out. We're going to the hospital. Maybe some of them critical. Jamaican, we have to come together in a star to stop these things, you know. You know what, I go up on my life, you know. For the first time. You see me? And we want to come up in the box. We welcome, because we have to talk about these things. Because we have to clamp down on these things, man. We have to talk about these corruption. And these little, what do you call them? Vultures were flying down and taking away people 3 points. You see me? It has to stop somewhere, and this should have been clamped down upon already. Hey, look at New York. You know, said New York. New York is a big place, you know. And you know, say, I'm not afraid to go nowhere up here. Of course, we watch ourselves and thing, but I'm not afraid to go nowhere up here. Me live in a Brooklyn in the 90s. I'm not afraid to go up on none of the street them up here. You see me? And nobody thinks up here so can get dangerous, because I don't know that. Jamaica can't compare itself to New York and badness. I'm still not afraid to go away. So why we look at island? I behave like this. I tell you, I don't care about PMP, I don't care about labor rights, you know. You see me? I care about poor people and who are going to make it better for poor people and who are going to make it safer for the country. You see me? You know, I'm too pitting at Jamaica right now. That means I'm not give up with Jamaica. And I should say 2 of my child. I send them down for the summer. That means I'm not give up Jamaica, you know. Me not give up Jamaica. And them American don't make no breeze, no bad breeze blow up on them, because trust me, America care about them. And them smart in a school too. You know, me nah no wood for not man, but me say one tree I would too. Hope they come back to America safe and well. So I want to come back home. I want to come back home in the chaos. I work very hard and I save up my money. I want to know so I come back to a safe country. Yes, people. But I go cut it short right now. And later on, I turn on my life. And who want to come pack up in the box, just come. I don't know it goes still, you know. The first I go use live. I ask you to make me follower go over 1,000. That's me can go live. And it gone over 1,000. So I go live. And any amount of people want to come up in my box, come talk about these things that's going on. You know, welcome. Big up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. Alpha.
Yo, message to the politician them, the businessman them, the artist them, the scammer them, the dan them. When you buy gun them and give like a young youth them now in the area, you not tell them who to kill. You not tell them who to kill and who not to kill. I just give them a gun and make them run up and down like a cannibal. Without a heart. You not tell them so not to do this. No rules and regulation and a badness again. Man does kill baby. Man does kill whole people. Man does kill pregnant woman. Man does kill innocent man. No rules and a badness again. So your family happy and the next man family a ball. When you're involved in a nothing. Whether all no sleep at night time, father. 8 people, 10 people dead one time. And good like they were one of them not involved in a nothing. On just show to no one. On sleep, father. Jah no star. On a cannibal youth.
Right now, I have no bumbo clad smile on my face. I cut up in blood clad side. When I hear the blood clad news, and see how much blood clad people, them boy and them so-called badman and them so-called gunman yeah, for killing a blood clad Clarin and included liquor pitney a woman too. Me vex. I want him more ask on a boy. After I go up and killing them, how you feel now on yourself? When you hear the news that how much woman and people dead and innocent people dead. More know if you not rejoice, if you not blood clot celebrate, if you not feel good in your blood clot self. Because I know if you're fuck, I be an innocent blood clot people who not kill pussy. So you tell me say, not even one some of that blood clot care. When now go up and kill him, he say, yo, bro, lick up it there, woman there. Come make we just call it off. Not one now, no. Now blood clot tell no lie, you no fuck up. And a whole heap of people I cry this morning because of uno pussy and a moan because of uno. Where woman them do, where little pitting them do, no. When this side son just a drive by and shoot up a community, kill some people. So that make you feel good. You not rejoice over that. You go suck on the mother, I not rate you as no killer. No boy will kill woman and lick up it, I not rate them. No boy will rape me, not rate you. Go suck on the mother, you can't tell me so a bad man and a killer, I not rate you no pussy. So you tell me say not one I only in the car could have like a sympathy and like a soft spot on the heart and say, yo, woman dead there, like a pitney dead. Pussy phone there come here. Phone there come on and now blood clot live long. That's all I can tell you now. You understand? A whole heap of people are more this man because of Uno. You understand? How much people life cut short just because of Uno pussy. Some of us say to the leader and the idiot fucking so, cause some of them gun boy you know, some yes man you know, one just approve to done you know, and then idea you know, you go to kill off all of them people here last night and this man hungry no blood clot. This man go to hungry. After you kill off them people, this man go hungry no fuck. You understand? Someone has a ye that someone about a bad man. As a mascot.
Welcome back again. So guys, I hope you've watched the video and well, again, my condolences to anybody who lost a person in the Clarendon shootings, and my sincere sorries and concerns to those who are still admitted at the hospital, and it's my wish that they all get or rather recover as soon as possible, and may them be confronted in such times. So guys, in the video you've seen the Badman masked up sending a warning to Mr. Andrew Holness and his wife, telling them that they are next and that a lot of people are going to die around next week. Guys, these are our own people. Why are we having all of these killings? In a single day, 8 people died. 9 more injured, hospitalized, and that includes the children. Why are we fighting and killing ourselves? Why? From a certain video you've heard a lady say that maybe this is just a stunt from the politicians to create diversions. And if it is true, why would you do that? Why? Why would you take the lives of your own people? And to those involved, to the criminals, why would you do that? Where do you get the courage to go and shoot an innocent person, an innocent child? The child has not done anything wrong to you. Why would you do that? Why would you take a life just because of a few cents? Why would you take somebody's life because of just a few dollars? So guys, I think in such times we have to urge our politicians to put aside the difference they having. Let's face this crisis. I mean, what happened to national security? People are now being afraid to even step out. Nobody can even let their kids go out and play freely. You can't stay outside without the fear of being killed, without the fear of being stabbed. Mr. Andrew Holness, Mr. Mark Golding, let's put aside the differences and the politics, and let's deal with these crises we're facing, the insecurities, the uptowns and downtowns. They're not safe no more. People can't move freely. People can't work freely. People can't open their shops and their stores freely without the fear of being killed, without the fear of being attacked. Please, please. Mr. Andrew Holness, Mr. Mark Golding, let's put the differences aside and deal with these crises. These people depend on you, and so do you. And if you all put the politics before the people's lives and safety, that's wrong. Who's gonna vote for you? Who's gonna be just or rather, who's gonna have the courage to step out to your campaigns and all that? People are terrified. People are terrified. People are afraid. Please, please. People's lives matters a lot. Let's work together. Let's make sure that all those involved in this massacre, let them face the punishment. Because why would you even kill an innocent child? We've been told that a 7-year-old lost his life. What wrong had she done? Or rather, what wrong had he done? Just 7 years old. Please, please. Let's take this matter seriously. Let's the police officers, let them get to the bottom of this. Let the families of those who lost their lives and those who attacked, those who are nursing wounds, let them get their justice, their deserved justice. We are one. Why would we end up killing each other? Why? Again, my condolences to those affected, by the Clarendon shootings. So guys, I'm your host Larry Covers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for everything. Your support and your love means everything to me. Until we meet again,